A trip to Bohol would never be complete without a trip to the wondrous Balicasag Island off the southern end of Panglao Island. On your first visit to Bohol, embark on the Panglao Island hopping adventure to Balicasag Island, where you can experience the tropical paradise and gain an up-close and personal encounter with Bohol's marine life. Embarking on a marine adventure on an island hopping in Balicasag Island starts with a boat ride from Bellevue Hotel towards the island. A guide will procure the best spots to get a glimpse of Bohol's adorable pawikons. Balicasag Island is renowned for its array of marine sanctuaries and wildlife. The island is relatively tiny, with just 600 meters in diameter, but its sugar white beach and vast selection of native stalls give you a taste of local charm. Snorkeling at Balicasag was one of the best snorkeling I've done. The waters are super clear and the corals are beautiful. Caught sight of pawikons and colorful marine life while snorkeling on Balicasag Island. At the reef, snorkel in the crystal clears of Balicasag Island Marine Sanctuary and swim over brightly colored reefs and fishes. You can also feed the fishes in Balicasag Reef.